If there is one timeless clothing item every man should own, is a neat polo sweater. I just got this sweater polo from Felix Hardy. Let's unbox. You can see it. It's a neat polo sweater. So this is the neat polo sweater. Let's put together the 3 effortless outfits. Outfit number 1. I'm layering this sweater polo with a high-rise jean, some accessory on me, wristwatch and necklace, as you can see. I'm also pairing it with a brown Osbit loafers for a smart casual. As you can see, it can be worn during daytime, going out with your friends or taking a walk around your city. Outfit number 2. I'm layering this sweater polo with a complete suit for monochromatic formal look, which can be worn during spring for maybe spring wedding or going to church. You can see it's very clean and elegant. Also, I'm pairing it with a brown tassel loafers for elegance and effortless style. Outfit number 3. Layering this sweater polo with a black dressed pants for date night look. As you can see, putting some accessories on, glasses with a watch to complement the black belt. You can dress it out with your partner for a date night, or even going out with the boys at night. Also, I'm pairing it with a black classic tassel loafers for that clean and effortless style. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not already, like and comment. Ciao.